We're fast approaching Black Friday, that time of the year when everyone's looking for a bargain. And increasingly, we're looking for those bargains online. In 2017, we spent about £1.39 billion in the UK. That's up 11.7% on the previous year. I said that everyone's looking for a bargain. That includes cybercriminals. And they're always looking to trick people out of their money, but of course they focus more particularly at this time of the year because of the money we all spend. They set up fake stores, they send fake delivery messages, they send fake bank messages, or we get messages offering something for nothing. All of these are part of the stock in trade of cybercriminals. So what should we do to make sure that we don't go into the red this Black Friday? Well, first of all, protect all of your devices with a good internet security product. Apply updates to your operating system and applications as soon as they become available. Make sure that if you're online, you've got a trusted connection. If it's not a trusted Wi-Fi connection, for example, don't do any confidential transactions. Don't respond to links or attachments in unsolicited emails or other messages. And then finally, make sure also that you're using unique, hard-to-guess passwords for every single online account. The bottom line on this is, if something looks too good to be true, it probably is, and don't respond to that offer. If you want to know more about this or any other online security topics, go to kaspersky.com/blog.